Hello and welcome to the detailed overview of InVideo's pricing and subscription plans. Whether you are just starting out or looking to scale your video production, InVideo AI offers tailored plans to suit every needs. The first plan is free plans, which is ideal from those who are new to this AI video creation. The free plan allows you to explore the basic features at no cost. You can create videos with InVideo branding, export up to 4 videos per week, and store up to 10 GB of data. This plan is perfect from sampling what InVideo AI has to offer. The second plan is Plus plan, which is billed at $20 per month yearly to $40. Export an unlimited number of videos, use up to 100 GBs of storage, and enjoy 50 minutes per month of premium generation. You also get the added advantage of 80 iStock media per month and unlimited standard stock. Voice cloning is also included, helping you personalize and consistently brand your videos. Then InVideo AI has Max plan, which is billed at $48 per month and yearly $576, which is best suited for established creators and teams looking to maximize their output. The Max plan offers the most extensive features. Enjoy 200 minutes of premium generation per month and significantly more iStock medias at 320 pieces per month. With 400 GB of storage, 5 voice cloning, and unlimited number of exports, this plan supports high volume, high quality video production. Here's the look at my usage, and I am currently using the Max plan of InVideo AI. As you can see, my premium generation, I have already used 70 minutes out of 200, then I have consumed 45 iStock media out of 320, and for the storage, I have only used 1 GB. As you can see, this is pretty low because most of my premium generation and iStock medias are gone in this course. As you can see, once the video is generated and once you export it, it will be automatically licensed, so you don't have to worry about any copyright infringement. Alright, in the next lecture, I will show you how to create this type of video by using InVideo AI in your iPhones.